Hi teacher and classmates, my name is Idalmis Martinez, a student of English course A2, and next I will show you my beautiful house. My house has a front garden with a big tree, a silver main door, a dining room and living room together where there are a table with 4 chairs, 3 sofas, a TV, a study desk, and a stereo. Also, it has a main bedroom and 2 more bedrooms for visitors, a main bathroom and 2 more bedrooms for visitors too, a great kitchen and a backyard. I love my house. My daily activities begins when I wake up at 6 o'clock, then I take a shower, have a breakfast, and I go to the work at 12:30 p.m. I have lunch with my husband, and at 2 o'clock I come back to the work until 4:30 p.m. Then I study my different courses of the university, and at 7 o'clock I'm going to do sports with my husband. Later I have dinner, watch a little TV, and I go to the bed with my husband. I'm finished and I live in a naval base called Bahía Málaga. That is like my city. It has a big and beautiful church, a shopping mall, different neighborhoods, a kids park, a movie theater, a recreational center with a pool, tennis court, soccer court, and another place very fun. Thank you. Bye bye.